those people who sat in math class wondering, when am I ever going to use this? Well, I'm for sure one of those students. But moving away from home and being on my own made me realize that math is more important and in way more aspects of my life than I would have ever thought. Scary? Trust me, I know. So here's what I found out. Paying for living on your own can get really expensive. But you want to know what? You can change all that just by budgeting. Want to move home? Because I absolutely do after thinking about all of this money stuff. Math is not supposed to be in my future. But I like living on my own and having my own freedom. Isn't that what you want? I'm not okay with living in my parents' basement until I'm 40. That's just not attractive. So guess what? I thought back to all of my math classes. Yep, that's right. I said math classes. I know. I never thought that I would use high school math in the real world. It's so boring. I thought I was just going to be done with it after high school. Little did I know living on my own was going to cause me more trouble in math than I would ever thought. Budgeting is a big part of living on your own and going to college. You have to Okay, so here I'm grocery shopping for bread. And this is the kind that I want. However, it's $2.49. I'm a poor, struggling college student trying to budget my money. So these ones, 2 for $3. So much better than $2.49, and I save money. But I get just as much bread, and it's the same kind. So now I have my bread, and I want my jelly and peanut butter, because peanut butter and jelly, favorite sandwich, easiest thing to make. So here, we've got Jiffy peanut butter. It's $2.22. Now if we walk a few steps this way, we have Meyer creamy peanut butter that's 3 for $5. So much cheaper than Jif. Okay, so we went to the grocery store. We figured out that Meyer peanut butter is 3 for $5, but we don't know how much one is. So we are going to figure out how much one is by using math, by using equations. So we know that Meyer peanut butter is 3 jars for $5. So let's see how much just one is. So we'll have the equation 3x equals 5 because we want to know and we want to solve for x. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide by 3 on both sides. Then x equals 5/3. Well, that needs to be simplified and divided out because I don't know how much 5/3 of money is. So we'll do simple division. So we have 3 goes into 5. 3 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. And then we have 2 left over. Let's put a decimal point, 0. Bring down the 0. 3 goes into 20 6 times. That's 18. That's 2. Bring down another 0. And that goes in 6 times as well. So 18, 2. Then if we bring down one more 0, we're going to get 20 again, so that's another 6. So then we have 18 and then 2. Well, let's stop there. And now we can say, okay, we have these 2 decimal places. Let's look to the next one, and let's round up. So we know that x equals $1.67 for 1 jar of peanut butter, which, as if we look back to our comparing prices, we know that $1.67 is less than what Jif peanut butter was. So I've got my peanut butter, I have my bread, now I just do my jelly. And I love Smucker's grape jelly, but it's $2.69 as compared to Meyer Concord grape, and it's a bigger jar, that's 3 for $5. How much 1 jar of grape jelly is going to be. And we've already figured out the peanut butter. We knew that peanut butter is 3 for $5, and jelly is also 3 for $5. So we can use the same equation, 3x equals 5. So if you remember from a few minutes ago, we just divide by 3, x equals 5/3. And if we divide it out, x equals $1.67. $1.67 is cheaper than what Smucker's jelly was.
It's the little things that add up the quickest. Things like eating out, getting gas in your car, going shopping, eating out again, flushing the toilet, doing laundry, and even showering can add up. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot about math in the real world and how important it is to budget and use math while you are living on your own.